Hi guys, I'm Sania and today I'm going to show you how to avoid cakey patchy makeup. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. First and foremost, never ever apply any base before prepping your skin with the right kind of skincare products. After serum application, I like to apply a generous amount of moisturizer before I begin because dehydrated skin can cause your foundation to clump up, crack and appear cakey. I'm using the Simple Kind Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Enriched with borage seed oil, pro-vitamin B5 and vitamin E to nourish and moisturize the skin, its lightweight and non-greasy formula leaves my skin feeling soft and plump and gives it that healthy glow. It instantly provides long-lasting hydration, making it silky, smooth and nourished all day. Your best bet to keep your makeup from appearing cakey is by applying a primer. A good primer can make all the difference to the smoothness and evenness of your skin's complexion. I have been using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. Its blur formula delicately softens blemishes and pores. It also helps in seamless application of your makeup and helps it stay in place all day. Pro tip: always let the primer dry before going in with any foundation. To achieve a non-cakey foundation look, it's crucial to apply the product sparingly. Remember, less is more when it comes to foundation application. Begin by selecting a foundation formula that complements your skin type. For those with oily skin, opt for oil-free or mattifying formulas, while individuals with dry skin can opt for hydrating or dewy formulas. This is precisely why I swear by the Lakme Luminous Skin Tint Foundation for my dry skin. Its soft focus formula effectively blurs lines and pores, creating a flawless glow. Thanks to its light reflecting polymers, it offers a radiant finish without looking cakey. When applying foundation, start with a small amount and gradually build coverage only when needed. I prefer using a foundation brush to evenly distribute the product across my face before blending it seamlessly with a damp beauty sponge. This technique ensures even application and prevents creasing, resulting in a smooth and natural looking finish. For post-base application, follow it up with a finishing powder. This step is crucial to keep my makeup in place all day long and prevent any patchiness. My go-to is the Lakme Loose Finishing Powder. It's important not to go overboard with the powder to avoid emphasizing dryness or texture, which can result in a cakey look. I lightly dust the powder only on areas prone to oiliness. Its lightweight formula provides a matte airbrushed finish while minimizing the appearance of pores. Finally, seal the deal with a setting spray. So since I have dry skin, a setting spray like the Lakme Absolute Setting Spray works wonders on my skin because it contains hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and aloe vera extract that can help to refresh and moisturize the skin, preventing it from appearing dry or flaky. This hydration helps the foundation to settle into the skin more evenly, reducing the likelihood of a cakey appearance. And that's how to avoid cakey patchy makeup. And that's all for today. Time for me to go, but make sure to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!